Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Wear OS application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Wear OS application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see your Falster 3 on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it and make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down, find the Wear OS application. Tap on it, then make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Wear OS application on our iPhone. And here you should see your Falster 3 watch on in the app. Let's wait until the watch connects to our iPhone. After it's connected, we can scroll down, find the option called notifications and tap on it. And here we can enable and disable notifications for these specific apps. How it works is basically if you enable the notifications, for example, for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you disable it, you will see it only on your iPhone. It won't be forwarded to your watch. As you can see on the list, I have only 2 apps for now. Basically, this list will fill in automatically when you receive the notifications on your iPhone. So let's say you receive the notification from WhatsApp, and then WhatsApp will appear on this list. Of course, it happens when you install the Wear OS application and then you receive the notification from specific app. The app will appear right here on this list. It will fill in. And once it fills in, you can enable and disable notifications for the apps according to your liking. And once you're done customizing the settings for the notifications, you can close the app and you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. I should receive the notification on the iPhone. For some reason it didn't pop up, so let me turn on the Do Not Disturb mode, turn it off quickly, and let's check now. Let's try again. Come on. Okay, we got the notification on our iPhone, and we should get it also on our watch. You can tell by this that icon at the bottom of the screen. When you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen, you will see that the notifications are here and we have the update, but below that we have Discord, as you can see, a couple of them. Okay, you can tap on the notification to view it, open it. You can swipe left on it to clear it, or you can scroll all the way down and tap on clear all to clear all of the notifications. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.